Why do you love festivals?
Festivals fill my heart.
What makes festivals special?
They bring joy and unity.
How do festivals make you feel?
They make me truly happy.
Which festival excites you most?
Christmas excites me most.
Do festivals bring family together?
Yes, family always gathers.
What is your favorite memory?
My childhood memories shine.
Do you celebrate every festival?
Yes, I celebrate all.
How do you prepare for festivals?
I plan everything carefully.
Do you enjoy festival traditions?
Yes, traditions mean everything.
What makes your celebrations unique?
My family adds personal touches.
Do you decorate your house?
Yes, I decorate beautifully.
Who helps you decorate?
My siblings help me.
Do you clean before festivals?
Yes, we clean deeply.
Why is cleaning important?
Cleaning feels fresh and pure.
Do you wear new clothes?
Yes, I love new outfits.
What colors do you prefer?
I prefer bright colors.
Do you cook special food?
Yes, I cook special meals.
Who cooks the meals?
My mom leads cooking.
What is your favorite dish?
I love homemade desserts.
Do you invite relatives?
Yes, relatives always visit.
Do friends visit your home?
Yes, friends stop by.
Do you visit neighbors?
Yes, I visit neighbors.
Do you exchange gifts?
Yes, we exchange gifts.
What gifts do you give?
I give thoughtful presents.
Do children enjoy festivals?
Yes, kids love festivals.
Do you give them treats?
Yes, I give treats.
Do you light candles?
Yes, I light candles.
Do you use colorful lights?
Yes, colorful lights shine.
Do you play music?
Yes, music plays loudly.
What songs do you like?
I like cheerful songs.
Do you dance during festivals?
Yes, I dance happily.
Who dances with you?
My cousins dance too.
Do you watch fireworks?
Yes, fireworks amaze me.
Are fireworks exciting?
Yes, they look magical.
Do you attend community events?
Yes, I attend events.
Where are events held?
Events happen downtown usually.
Do you take many photos?
Yes, I take photos.
Do you share pictures online?
Yes, I share online.
Do you attend religious services?
Yes, I attend services.
Why are prayers important?
Prayers bring inner peace.
Do you wake up early?
Yes, I wake early.
Do you sleep late?
Yes, I sleep late.
Do you plan in advance?
Yes, I plan ahead.
How long do festivals last?
Usually they last days.
Do you travel for festivals?
Sometimes I travel home.
Where do you usually go?
I visit my hometown.
Do you meet old friends?
Yes, I meet friends.
Do you forgive past mistakes?
Yes, I forgive everyone.
Do festivals create happiness?
Yes, happiness increases greatly.
Do you feel grateful?
Yes, I feel thankful.
Do you make special desserts?
Yes, I bake cookies.
What dessert do you love?
I love chocolate cake.
Do you help your parents?
Yes, I help gladly.
Do you spend more money?
Yes, I spend extra.
Do you save for festivals?
Yes, I save money.
Do you watch special programs?
Yes, I watch specials.
Do you sing traditional songs?
Yes, I sing proudly.
Do you follow family customs?
Yes, I follow customs.
Who teaches you traditions?
My grandparents teach me.
Do you teach younger kids?
Yes, I teach children.
Do you decorate your yard?
Yes, I decorate outside.
Do neighbors compete decorating?
Yes, friendly competition happens.
Do you enjoy big crowds?
Sometimes crowds overwhelm me.
Do you prefer small gatherings?
I prefer cozy gatherings.
Do you host parties?
Yes, I host dinners.
Do guests bring food?
Yes, guests bring dishes.
Do you cook together?
Yes, we cook together.
Do you shop for sales?
Yes, I hunt deals.
Do stores offer discounts?
Yes, discounts appear everywhere.
Do you buy new decorations?
Yes, I buy ornaments.
Do you enjoy festival shopping?
Yes, shopping feels exciting.
Do you prepare weeks early?
Yes, weeks before celebration.
Do you send greeting cards?
Yes, I mail cards.
Do you call distant relatives?
Yes, I call relatives.
Do you decorate your office?
Yes, I decorate office.
Do you feel excited always?
Yes, excitement fills me.
Do festivals reduce stress?
Yes, stress disappears quickly.
Do you volunteer during festivals?
Yes, I volunteer locally.
Do you donate to charity?
Yes, I donate generously.
Do you cook for others?
Yes, I cook extra.
Do you enjoy sharing food?
Yes, sharing feels wonderful.
Do you remember childhood celebrations?
Yes, I remember fondly.
Were they different then?
Yes, simpler and warmer.
Do you miss old traditions?
Yes, I miss them.
Do you follow modern trends?
Sometimes I follow trends.
Do you mix traditions?
Yes, I blend styles.
Do you travel abroad?
Rarely, but sometimes abroad.
Do you celebrate quietly?
Sometimes I celebrate quietly.
Do you celebrate loudly?
Sometimes loudly with music.
Do you light sparklers?
Yes, sparklers sparkle brightly.
Are decorations expensive?
Yes, some are costly.
Do you reuse last year's items?
Yes, I reuse them.
Do you shop online?
Yes, I shop online.
Do you enjoy online sales?
Yes, online deals excite.
Do you cook healthy meals?
Sometimes I cook healthier.
Do you eat too much?
Yes, I overeat often.
Do you exercise afterward?
Yes, I exercise later.
Do you watch movies together?
Yes, we watch classics.
Do you play board games?
Yes, games bring laughter.
Do you tell stories?
Yes, stories entertain everyone.
Do elders share advice?
Yes, elders share wisdom.
Do festivals bring peace?
Yes, peace surrounds us.
Do you forgive others?
Yes, I forgive quickly.
Do you reflect deeply?
Yes, I reflect deeply.
Do you set new goals?
Yes, I set goals.
Do you start fresh?
Yes, fresh beginnings start.
Do you smile more?
Yes, I smile widely.
Do you laugh loudly?
Yes, laughter echoes loudly.
Do you take family selfies?
Yes, selfies capture moments.
Do you create memories?
Yes, memories last forever.
Do you record videos?
Yes, I record clips.
Do you cook together happily?
Yes, cooking feels joyful.
Do you decorate creatively?
Yes, creativity shines brightly.
Do you love bright colors?
Yes, bright colors inspire.
Do you enjoy tasty food?
Yes, tasty food delights.
Do you greet everyone warmly?
Yes, I greet warmly.
Do you hug relatives?
Yes, hugs feel comforting.
Do you stay positive?
Yes, positivity increases daily.
Do you thank everyone?
Yes, gratitude matters most.
Do you pray sincerely?
Yes, I pray sincerely.
Do you light incense?
Yes, incense smells calming.
Do you visit temples?
Yes, I visit temples.
Do you feel spiritual?
Yes, spirituality grows stronger.
Do you relax afterward?
Yes, I rest peacefully.
Do you clean afterward?
Yes, I clean later.
Do you save leftovers?
Yes, I save food.
Do you share leftovers?
Yes, I share food.
Do you enjoy leftovers?
Yes, leftovers taste good.
Do you buy souvenirs?
Sometimes I buy souvenirs.
Do you wear accessories?
Yes, I wear jewelry.
Do you dress traditionally?
Yes, traditional clothes shine.
Do you plan surprises?
Yes, surprises excite everyone.
Do you receive surprises?
Yes, I love surprises.
Do you stay organized?
Yes, organization helps greatly.
Do you budget carefully?
Yes, budgeting prevents stress.
Do you invite neighbors?
Yes, I invite neighbors.
Do neighbors visit you?
Yes, neighbors visit gladly.
Do you send invitations?
Yes, I send invites.
Do you accept invitations?
Yes, I accept happily.
Do you celebrate yearly?
Yes, every single year.
Do you count down days?
Yes, I count days.
Do you feel anticipation?
Yes, anticipation feels amazing.
Do you enjoy preparation?
Yes, preparation feels fun.
Do you love every festival?
Yes, I love celebrations.
Will you celebrate forever?
Yes, forever and always.